In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create marketing materials using Gemini Gems. If you're looking to streamline the process of generating marketing plans with an interactive and efficient tool, you're in the right place. Let's dive in together and explore how you can leverage Gemini Gems for your marketing needs. First, you'll want to start by opening up your favorite browser and heading over to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, type Google Gemini into the search bar. As you type, you may even see suggestions popping up that can lead you directly to where we're headed. Click through to the Google Gemini website, a hub for all the functionalities you need for creating marketing materials smoothly. When you've landed on the website, look for the Explore Gems option and click on it. This is your gateway to a variety of creative tools that Gemini offers. Then, look for the option to create a new gem. This function is pivotal as it initiates the creation of your customized marketing content. Once you've chosen to create a new gem, a prompt will appear asking you to name your gem. Your choice of name can be as creative or straightforward as you like. Just make sure it resonates with the marketing project you're about to embark on. After naming your gem, the next step is crucial, providing clear and concise instructions. This is where you lay out what you want your marketing plan to encompass. The clearer you can be at this stage, the more effective and tailored the output will be. Once you've filled out these instructions to your satisfaction, go ahead and hit Save. This step ensures that all your input is securely stored and ready for the next phase. With your gem saved, you'll find an option to start chat. Click on it. This interactive feature is designed to guide you further and make sure you're fully equipped to proceed with your marketing plan. It's like having a conversation with a seasoned marketing expert, all within the tool. Now it's time to test out your newly created gem. Type a prompt specific to your marketing goals. This could be anything from generating content ideas to crafting detailed marketing strategies. After typing your prompt, simply click Submit. By doing this, you're allowing Gemini to work its magic and present you with a polished marketing plan. And just like that, in just a few streamlined steps, you've successfully created a tailored marketing plan using the power of Gemini Gems. Congratulations! With practice, this process becomes second nature, and your marketing material creation turns into a seamless and efficient experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you with a new tool to enhance your marketing strategies.